Thank you very much. 08000 283366 is the number to get a hold of us, and Sean Hodges is on the way next with the morning show.
Stupid woman.
The stories you share.
The music you love.
Your radio station.
It's also having a knock-on effect to the M25, where it's very slow clockwise from junction 3 at the M20 to 5 at the M26. Also on the motorways, a car's broken down on the M40 southbound at junction 3 at the A40 Loudwater exit. That's extremely busy on the approach. And in London, there are delays in Wood Green because the temporary traffic lights are stuck on red on the high road at Lordship Lane.
Call Nick Quarry now. 0345 606097.
Somebody's ringing the bell. Did you know that winning postcodes are announced every single day with People's Postcode Lottery, and only playing postcodes are entered, so the prizes are always won. It costs just £10 a month to play in all draws. Join in with your postcode to play at postcodelottery.co.uk. PPL manage lotteries on behalf of good causes. Players must be over 60.
Well, if we've got 360 the President of the United States and Kurdish forces are about to release, plus we've got this vile specimen who seems to think that manages to bomb it through in some way justified. Is there an argument to take some detention centre? Oh, I'm not saying you treat them well.
It's looking fairly clear through the county. No delays into Trowbridge, Melksham or Chippenham. If you're travelling through Derry Hill on the A4, now it's currently closed off-peak because of roadworks between Derry Hill and Carnes. That's going to be closed until 3:30 this afternoon. That's all because of roadworks. Surrounding routes are looking busy but fairly quiet if you're travelling. That's all because of roadworks. Surrounding routes are looking busy but fairly quiet if you're travelling into Swindon. No issues on the M4 or the trains, but spot a problem, call BBC Wiltshire on 08000 283366.
On your radio, on your phone, online, and on your smart speaker. Play BBC Wiltshire. So looking at the weather, it's